Hi guys, in this video I am gonna to teach you how to make vegan chocolate cupcakes. So let's get started. First of all, I will show the ingredients list. The ingredients are, for the vegan cupcakes, 350 milliliters, 12 fluid ounces unsweetened soya milk, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 330 grams, 11.5 ounces caster sugar, 100 grams, 3.5 ounces dairy-free spread, 300 grams, 10.5 ounces plain flour, 1 teaspoon bicarbonate of soda, 80 grams, 3 ounces cocoa powder, half a teaspoon instant coffee granules, half a teaspoon salt. For the vegan icing, 75 grams, 2.5 ounces cocoa powder, 500 grams, 1 pound 2 ounces icing sugar, 100 grams, 3.5 ounces dairy-free spread, 125 grams, 4.5 ounces unsweetened soya milk. Now the method is: Step 1. Preheat the oven to 180 C, 160 C fan, gas 4. Line 2 12-hole cupcake tins with 20 paper cupcake cases. Step 2. Whisk together the soya milk and cider vinegar in a jug. Set aside. Step 3. Cream the sugar and margarine in a large bowl with a handheld whisk until soft and smooth. Set aside. Step 4. Sift the flour, bicarbonate of soda and cocoa powder into a bowl. Mix in the coffee granules and salt, ensuring there are no lumps. Step 5. Tip the dry ingredients into the sugar and margarine and pour in the soya milk mixture. Stir together with a wooden spoon, using a figure-of-8 motion. The mixture will seem dry at first, but will loosen quickly. Step 6. Spoon the batter into the cases using a dessert spoon. Be careful not to overfill. Step 7. Bake in the center of the oven for 25 minutes, or until the cakes spring back to the touch. Leave to cool completely in the tins before decorating. Step 8. To make the icing, sift the cocoa and sugar into a food processor and add the shortening. Blend the mixture and gradually pour in the soya milk until your icing is the desired consistency. Step 9. To decorate the cupcakes, you can either dollop on some icing and swirl it with a knife, or use a piping bag. See the tips section for other ways to decorate. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for latest updates.